moving.
It's staring at me. It's creepy. Right.
There is a panda in that room, and it is very creepy. We just watched some scary videos, and somehow there was a panda over there, and now it's not there. And I bet you anything, whenever we go back into that room, Jesus, it's a fire.
Okay.
Alright, come on, Nathan. Come on, let's go.
Scared. Alright, my room safe first. Dude! Wait, the panda's there. That monkey though.
Dude, that monkey wasn't there.
Show the monkey.
It's too dark. There is a monkey, a pink monkey on top of all kinds of animals, other stuffed animals.
That pink monkey wasn't there. It was just that one not hanging on the J. Alright, come on. Let's go.
That doll. Its head wasn't like that. It was facing all the way that way.
Dude, Buzz Lightyear, man, I was freaking sitting down.
Where is he?
Dude.
It's about to suck him.
Alright, ready? Come on, let's go.
You go first. I'm recording.
Come on.
No,
we have to go. We have to go together. Come on, ready?
Okay, so.
Guys, the monkey's staring at us.
That monkey's staring